step into the Jeep 2018 Cherokee Latitude Plus. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3C with 8.4 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, auxiliary transmission oil cooler and rear window defroster. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.